Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be cutting paper without scissors and making a paper airplane. So first we're going to be cutting paper without scissors. So if you want a simple, say you just want to cut this paper in half but you don't have scissors, you are going to fold it however way you want. I'm going to fold it in half so I get the half that I want. And you're going to make an indent, like so. That's pretty basic right there and simple. So then you're going to fold it the other way around, like that. And you're just going to keep on doing that for about 5 times. So it should have these little lines in the middle that spread out a little bit, and that's good. So once you have that, like a lot of those, you're just going to keep on doing this. So for one side and for another. And then you're going to take your paper and you're going to so you have the little line right here. You can't really see it. Focus. So you have the little line right there. And then you're going to, so against the line, you're going to little thing, and it should rip very easy for you. So now I have 2 halves. So I have 1 and 2, and those are both from the same paper. And that's how you cut paper without scissors. So successful. So that's a check. Next, we're going to be making a paper airplane. So you're going to fold it like a hot dog, as I would say. Fold it like a hot dog so it's this way instead of like a hamburger, which is this way. Okay? Fold it like a hot dog and I'll be right back. Like that. So like so, you're going to fold the paper like that. Okay. So I'll be right back with the next steps. So now you're going to unfold the paper like this, and you're going to take that and you're going to fold it inwards so it's like that on directly on the line. So I'll show you the results when it's done. Okay, so now your paper should look like this. So like a little house if you were to picture it. Here, let you get a better view.